Knowing what's working and what's not, which posts are creating interaction and engagement, and which just don't have any traction, is key to creating a successful online community. Recently, one of my clients was trying to decide if the investment in time of creating a monthly recap post was worth it. Were there people looking at it? What was happening with that post? Let's look at how we can find that out when you use the Mighty Networks platform for your online community. This chart in Mighty Insights is showing the top posts, the most interacted with posts in the spaces in my network that have activity feeds. So right now I'm looking at all the spaces in my network that have activity feeds. I could choose just to look at one of them if I wanted to, and over a specific date range. So right now I'm looking at the past 30 days. They're ordered by total contributions. So that includes how many people have clicked to look at it, how many comments have happened, how many cheers, how many comment cheers. If it's a poll, how many votes have happened. So adding all those up, it's right now ordered by that total contribution. But maybe I'm interested in seeing how many people have actually clicked and read this post. I can reorder and look at that. Now it's a slightly different order. If I want to look at a particular post, I can click on that title and will actually open the post and I can see which post it was. I might want to find out which of the posts that I posted create the most engagement. So let's go back to total contributions. And now I want to sort by creator name. I scroll the chart to look at only the posts that I've posted. They're ordered by the total contributions. I can see the posts that are being most engaged with over the last 30 days to check and see what's working and what's not. I could also look to see who's reading things. If I shift and click and re-scroll, I'm now sorted by post clicks. So I can see which are the ones that people are actually reading. Once you've discovered what people are engaging with in your network, your next question is probably which members are engaging with those posts. The top post chart doesn't show you that information, but there are other places in Mighty Insights where you can look to see which members are engaging with which posts and what are they doing with those posts. I'm going to show you that in just a little bit. First, I want to talk to you about why I'm making this video. I'm Marcia Chadley, and I'm super passionate about online community. This video and the other videos on my YouTube channel are here to help you be more successful using the Mighty Networks platform. If you'd like more help in creating a successful online community, understanding how to best use the Mighty Networks platform, I also offer private client support and community-based support. Please reach out and we can talk more. Now let's get back to looking at Mighty Insights and how you can find out more about what each member is doing specifically. You can see who's engaging the most and what they're doing in your network by looking at the host and member engagement chart that we're looking at right here. The chart itself will tell us overall what these people are doing, but we can find out more details. If I click on one of the names, I can open up a member detail page. Here I've scrolled down in the member detail page to see the chart that lets me know which post this member is engaging with. And it also tells me exactly what they're doing with each post. Once you have this member detail page open, you can actually change to look at other members. The user ID is what's being used to bring up this information. You can find the user ID for any member in your network. When you open the profile of a member of your network, the URL in the browser contains their user ID. I delete the original ID, paste in the user I want to look at, and refresh. I'll get the new member's information. There's lots of other great information in the Mighty Networks Insights. I hope you have fun exploring and finding more information to help your network be successful.